What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my home here in Pisac, Peru. It's a village town about an hour away from Cusco, Peru. So I've been staying in this place for 2 months now, and I pay $650 a month. That's my rate because I'm the only one staying here. It is a 2 bedroom, so the rate is higher if more people are staying in. But come on, step right in and check out my home. All right, let's check it out. So as you step in, you walk right into the kitchen. It's a nice size kitchen for me to do all my cooking of my lovely meals. You have the full fridge right here, some appliances, got the sink, gas stove. Everything here is ran off gas, so you get your nice hot water, all that. Then over here, you have the dining room area, nice size table. And the ceiling has like that cabin style, which I love. Got a bench over here, I never really use that. And right here, this is my favorite part. This is the living room. Very cozy. Nice view of the mountain. As you can see. Wow, I love it. That's where I'm mostly chilling at. Got my binoculars, watch the mountains. I don't spy on people, I promise. Or I try not to. And my favorite YouTube channel, I'm pretty sure you already subscribed. Yeah. Couch. And right over here, we have the first bathroom, restroom. There you go. It has one restroom, 2 bathrooms. And that's pretty much it for downstairs. So let's head upstairs and check it out. All right, so here we are in the hallway. This is the main room. We'll come back to that next. That's where I sleep. It has some windows, so you can check out the backyard. Extra table and chairs. So let's check out this second bedroom. Here it is. Nice, small, cozy room. The bed, comfortable bed. Clothes rack to hang up some clothes. Nice views. Cool window. And this is the bathroom right here. Got a shower. Sink, the little counter space, mirror, and there's some more storage space right here. So if you ever thinking about pulling up to Pisac, Peru, you can stay here. I got you. This room also has a balcony. Come out here, meditate, read a book, relax, enjoy the view. All right, now let's check out my room. And here we are. Welcome. So as you step in, there's a table right here. Not much of a view out the window, but you can get some work done here. I usually work downstairs. Here's my cozy bed. I get some real good sleeps at night. Right over here, we have another clothes rack. Some more storage space, some shelves. And this room also has a balcony. I like to just lay in bed and enjoy the view first thing in the morning. Let's check out this balcony. Sometimes I'll just come out here, look around a little bit, enjoy the view. And right here I have the bathroom, toilet, sink. That's pretty small. I usually use the one downstairs when I need a, you know what I'm saying, blow down the toilet. But there we are, the shower and stuff, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for checking out another episode of One Way Tickets. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, I have a Patreon. And I really appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. Woo! It's got me out of breath. And I'll see y'all on the next show.